Hello from Bosch Training Centre. My name is Eser Erol. In today's video, we are going to focus on tools and accessories for window replacement. Window replacement in an apartment is a construction event that awaits for almost everyone. So, as always, we go for it and use the GLM 50-27C to measure the required distances. As another tool, we will use the GSA 18V-32, which is a hacksaw, in order to dismantle the window frames. The advantages of this powerful saw gets multiplied with the use of S956 DHM, which is a window demolition specialist. We will level and measure the new windows by using the GLL 380G. We will use this device twice. First, we will need it while cleaning and adjusting the construction area for the new window. And secondly, we will use it while checking and adjusting the window in a plane. Of course, we can use the traditional spirit level, but in this case, we will use the GLM 50-27C, which has a built-in digital spirit level. And now the essentials. We will use the GBH 180 Li, which is a very powerful, proven tool, and we will use the SDS Plus 5X, a drill, and also we will use the suitable tools in order to fix the windows. That's it, let's start. New quality windows will ensure less heat loss, more comfortable operation, greater comfort, and a better appearance. To get it right, everything is right, it needs the right tools and accessories. Many craftsmen use a circular saw when carving old window frames. After all, why not? Bosch comes up with another option to do this efficiently and quickly. We mean the hacksaw, but above all, and especially the special saw blade developed specifically for this work with Swiss quality. With 956 DHM endurance for window demolition, it provides top life for fast demolition of old window frames. Carbide teeth for maximum durability and super fast cuts. This is the right formula to solve the problem. Those slices don't care what they cut. Wondering what the slice and bricks are? Will he dull him? No! Carbide technology is a completely different level. Be sure to try it. You'll be amazed at how long it lasts because it cuts, cuts and cuts. Go to him. And now we will prepare the GBH 180 Li with the SDS Plus chisel. But first we will measure the distance with the GLM 50-27C, which is designed for the building environment. It will last a long time and the color display is very easy to read. And let's open a hole for a new window. We get rid of loose bricks and mortar using the GBH 180 Li cordless hammer, which has an integrated cutting function and is suitable for light cutting work in bricks. This hammer belongs to the most modern generation of Bosch drilling hammers equipped with its own EC carbonless engine. Before we start inserting new window frames, we will calmly clean our opening with a GAS 18V-10L vacuum cleaner. The vacuum cleaner is light, easily portable, and because it's rechargeable, we do not have to pull any cables. In addition, it is compatible with the Bosch Professional 18-volt system, and the power supply battery will also fit the other tools we still need today. Using a GLL 3-80G line laser, we check the seating of the new window frame. The green laser is clear to see even when the sun is shining, as in our case. The integrated spirit level in the GLM 50-27C rangefinder will check the results for us. The SDS Plus 5X twist drill offers highly efficient drilling in reinforced concrete. It simply drills everything. And finally, the GSR 185 Li cordless screwdriver comes in. The holes can be pre-drilled to determine the location of the turbo screws. Using this hammer, which has the EC engine feature, we can drill more holes with 15% higher efficiency compared to a conventional commutator engine. Another big advantage is longer engine life and less noise and heat. The hammer is very compact and is more than great for our purpose. The GSR 185 Li is a good choice for two reasons. First of all, I use the same cordless battery as the GBH 180 Li hammer drill. And at the same time, it is a screwdriver with a great power to price ratio and great technical parameters. Chuck 13mm, 1900 RPM and 54 Nm maximum torque. By the way, we can also use GDX 180 Li for this work. So here we are done. Hello, we are back in the training center. Let's summarize what we've done and saw today. Replacing windows may be seen as a very hard job at the first glance. But if you are using the professional tools, accessories and the measurement instruments, it can save a lot of worries. As always, you can trust us because we believe in our professional tools that brings the professional the right solutions with accuracy, efficiency and speed. And that's what it is about. Thanks for watching us. For further information, you can visit our website and follow us on our social media accounts.